We have 360 gods, and he says there is only one? This makes no sense.
قل هو الله أحد.
Keep reading. This surah is special.
This is not just a chapter. This is a declaration.
Go ask him.
Ask him about his Lord.
Is he made of gold or silver?
This is the answer to a question that shook Makkah.
Is his God made of gold? Or is it like our idols? Does his God have a family? Ask him who his God really is.
This is the story of Surah Al-Ikhlas, one of the most profound chapters in the Quran. It teaches us about the absolute oneness of Allah.
Say.
He talks about one God.
Then describe him.
Yes, tell us his lineage.
In a world obsessed with lineage, power, and idols, they demanded something impossible.
Who is God? Is he like us?
To define the Creator like a creation is fundamentally misunderstanding the nature of existence itself.
Can he even answer this?
Go ask him.
Ask him about his Lord.
Is he made of gold or silver?
They came with a question, not to understand, but to challenge.
What is this surah? Why is everyone talking about it?
They say it defines God himself.
And then the answer came.
Did you hear what he said? He said this surah equals 1/3 of the Quran.
A chapter only 4 verses long, yet equal to 1/3 of the entire Quran.
A new revelation,
A short one.
but powerful.
As reported in Sahih al-Bukhari Hadith 5013, reciting this surah is equal to reciting 1/3 of the Quran.
قل هو الله أحد.
Keep reading. This surah is special.
And this is exactly what this surah answers.
Who is Allah? What is his nature? Is he like us?
Many recite it, few truly understand it.
Say it if you believe it! Why are you silent?
The confusion ends with the very first verse.
If he is one, then explain him. Everything has an origin.
Now let's understand this chapter in a cinematic and simple way.
قل هو الله أحد.
Your love for it will admit you into paradise.
So many gods. Which one is real?
The answer begins with a command. Say. Not think, not assume. Say it clearly.
I love this surah. Why? Because it describes Allah.
Truth is not meant to stay hidden. It is meant to be declared. Allahu Ahad. Allah is absolutely one.
Say.
Not just one, like one of many, but O One, like nothing else exists like Him.
One God? Only one?
This looks like that.
Everything is similar to something.
Everything you can compare, everything you can imagine, is not to Him.
Give us food. Protect us. Guide us.
Every king needs advisors. Every human needs support. But Allah? Self-sufficient, absolute, eternal. Humans depend on everything. But Allah? Allahu Samad. Allah is the one everyone depends on, but He depends on no one.
قل هو الله أحد.
Your love for it will admit you into paradise.
In Sahih al-Bukhari Hadith 7375, a man repeatedly recited this surah out of love and was told, "Your love for it will admit you into paradise."
No one understands me.
When everyone leaves, there is still one who never does. This question was asked again and again in Makkah.
If he was born, then who created him?
He neither begets nor is born. This verse destroys every false idea of God having a family. If he had a beginning, he wouldn't be God.
Who is his father? Does he have children?
But Allah? And there is nothing comparable to him, not in power, not in form, not in existence.
Please help me. Go somewhere else.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq and An-Nas before sleeping.
Our gods, they look alike.
They need protection.
Now comes the most important question. If Allah is As-Samad, then why do we depend on everything else?
Nothing like Him.
No equal, no rival, no comparison.
This surah is not just to be recited, it is to be lived. When you truly understand Surah Ikhlas, your life changes.
Not all.
Just one more video. Maybe this will make me feel better.
You chase distractions because you forgot who is enough. You depend on everything except the one who made everything.
I need money. I need attention.
I need someone.
Allahu Samad means you don't need the world when you truly have Him.
You never understand me. I have to understand.
And you expect too much.
We expect from people what only Allah can give. No human can fill a space that was meant for Allah.
I just wanted peace.
I built all of this. I don't need anyone.
But Surah Ikhlas destroys this illusion. Only Allah is independent. You are not.
You depend on everything. What if I lose everything?
You fear loss because you depend on what can be lost. The moment you realize Allah is enough, fear disappears.
Ya Allah, I need you.
The one who loved this surah was promised paradise.
What if Allah is enough? Allahu Samad means you don't need the world when you truly have Him.
I recite this surah again and again.
Why? Listen.
Because it describes my Lord.
Because you filled your life with everything except the one. You were searching in the wrong places.
قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد.
Until next time, remember, Allah is one. Allah is enough. If you support this work, we can create more, better, deeper. Maybe one day we complete the entire Quran.